Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something that's quietly transforming the enterprise blockchain space, Vchain. If you've been dismissing it as dead or irrelevant, it's time to think again. The latest activity, partnerships, and milestones are painting a completely different picture. From record-breaking transaction activity to enterprise-ready solutions, Vchain is proving why it's one of the most underrated players in the blockchain world today. Let's jump in. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. Vchain just recorded its busiest week since launch, processing a staggering 8.9 million clauses in a single week. To put that into perspective, that's well beyond the previous 2025 peak of 7.9 million clauses. If you're wondering what a dead chain looks like, well, this isn't it. Dead blockchains don't break records, don't attract builders, and certainly don't have enterprises actively integrating their technology. Vchain is alive, growing, and thriving. Next up, let's talk numbers. Vchain has now processed 150 million on-chain transactions. But here's the nuance most people miss. These 150 million transactions contain nearly 600 million actions, or clauses, as Vchain calls them. One transaction can include multiple actions, giving the network incredible efficiency and scalability. This isn't just a fun statistic. A well-known crypto analyst recently highlighted that Vchain's transaction efficiency is unmatched in the enterprise blockchain sector. Bundling multiple verified business actions into a single on-chain event saves on transaction costs and builds infrastructure enterprises can realistically use at scale. This is a serious competitive advantage, not a minor technical detail. Now let's shift focus to something that quietly strengthens the case for holding Vchain tokens long-term. Since its launch in May 2018, Vchain has maintained a fixed total supply of 85,985,041,177 tokens. That number has not changed. Circulating supply matches the total supply exactly. No inflation, no surprise minting, no yearly dilution. Compare that to Ethereum, which currently issues more than 1% of its supply annually. While Ethereum has its merits, Vchain offers a predictable, scarcity-based token model, giving holders confidence that their investment won't be silently diluted over time. Some analysts are now calling this feature one of the most underappreciated aspects of Vchain's ecosystem, especially for enterprises. The transparency and predictability built into the system create a level of trust rarely seen in blockchain infrastructure. Speaking of transparency, the community is buzzing with the idea of a treasury dashboard for Vchain. Similar to platforms like Sharp Links with TickerSpect, such a dashboard would provide real-time visibility into holdings across VET, BTC, and stablecoins, plus performance metrics that go beyond quarterly reports. In 2026, transparency isn't optional, it's essential. Institutional investors need to see the books in real time before they commit. A tool like this could unlock even more large-scale adoption for Vchain. Now, onto something genuinely exciting, Vchain's partnership with Decent. Before you roll your eyes at another blockchain announcement, hear this one out. Decent is a blockchain-powered platform transforming workplace operations, safety inspections, equipment audits, compliance reporting, and facility management. Everything is digitized, monitored in real time, and anchored to an immutable blockchain record. Why does this matter? In industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and facility operations, the consequences of errors or lost data can be massive. Paper forms get misplaced, spreadsheets get corrupted, and disconnected systems hide what's really happening on the ground. Questions like, did this safety inspection really happen, aren't philosophical. They're legal and operational. Decent solves this by letting field teams scan assets via mobile apps, validate locations with geofencing, capture evidence, and submit verified reports. Every action is time-stamped, geo-verified, and anchored on Vchain. That means tamper-proof records, no lost paperwork, and total accountability. So why is Vchain the backbone here? A few key points. Architecture built for utility. From day one, Vchain was designed for real-world enterprise use. Two-token model. Predictable transaction costs allow businesses to budget efficiently. Fee delegation. Users don't need to understand gas fees or hold crypto to participate. Uptime reliability. Vchain has maintained 100% uptime since its 2018 launch, a critical requirement for enterprise operations. For the end user, the blockchain is invisible. They interact with a simple mobile app while Vchain quietly verifies and records everything. This is enterprise blockchain adoption done right. Multiple sources confirm that Decent is live and operational, not just a pilot or proof of concept. Real teams are using it, real data is flowing, and accountability is built into every process. A key perspective gaining traction in the crypto space. Calling blockchain a solution looking for a problem no longer applies to Vchain. While many networks chase hype, Vchain and Decent focus on real enterprise needs. Their combined approach proves that Web3's most compelling application isn't speculation, it's accountability. Vchain offers tangible value, not just a promise. Vchain continues to be one of the most undervalued infrastructure projects in crypto today. Consider this: transaction growth, real and record-breaking; tokenomics, scarcity and no inflation; enterprise adoption, live and operational; technical partnerships, expanding and compounding. All of these factors make Vchain a long-term infrastructure play with both practical and financial appeal. Let's wrap it up. Vchain is not dead, it's thriving. Record transaction volumes, enterprise adoption, strategic partnerships, and a robust token model all point to one thing: Vchain is a blockchain built for the real world. If you're still thinking of it as irrelevant, it's time to update that perspective. The ecosystem is active, enterprises are integrating, and the architecture is designed to solve real operational problems at scale. For those interested in Web3 beyond speculation, Vchain represents a rare combination of efficiency, transparency, and enterprise readiness. Keep an eye on it. It's quietly shaping the future of blockchain infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.